Chipani cha Alliance for Democracy Afford chachitangwiza ndi chipani cha Democratic Progressive Party DPP pamene weekend chisankho pa September chaka chino. Programu ya TV Resources sabata ino ndikadiwecheza ndi Enoch Chihana yowa ndi mtsogoleri wa chipani cha Afford. Johannes Mumba mukhale pamenepo. Wande program ya TV Resources bwana president.
Siko my brother.
Mutachabirira taona kuti mwachitangwizana kuti chipani cha DPP muda chifukwa chani Chihana?
Choyamba nchonena kuti chipani chathu called Alliance for Democracy. Tikaona kuti democracy pena pake is at threat. Timo necessity pange save. The only way we can save this democracy is to make sure kuti political power ipange balance bwino komanso tikudziwa kuti there's 50+1. So if it ingati kalipenta ameza kawiri mudula kamodzi. Size akamodzi ufuna udula ulakwitsa. This is politics. And it don't say opposition cholinga chathu chotsiwemboka. Ndiye ifeyo ndi DPP nambo kambirana kuyamba last year. Ndiye tinafika kuti tagwirizana. Taonaso kuti one objective tuombola Malawi. Ndiye nanga tisifano tsiku lafika lona kuti tigwirizane tipite patsogolo.
Muona kuti mufuna kuti muombola Malawi. I remember 2020 chisankho cha president cha fresh polls naonaso ineso ngati Afford matamanga zina for example MCB. You made the similar claims kuti by then mafuna muombola Malawi. This time around, how special is it if you say you want to rescue Malawi from mafuta za chuma?
It's an open secret. Everyone knows that there are problems in this country. Zofunika kuti it's not a matter of taking power. Focus yonena kuti tikatenga boma tipanga chani.
Yes.
Effect in my programs, I mean, this government will to sustain the economy, this banking. Immediately, within 100 days, within 8 months, within 1 year.
Yes.
Short term, medium term, and long term plans. Zofunikira kwambiri. Chisankho chawamba, chisankho chovuta, number 1. Number 2, atenge boma ilomwe tikhale ife. It's not a matter of kuti popeza ulindale ndiyo ningelo taking leadership kuendesa boma iya kumafunika anthu amene ali experience vision kumasa uzochimina uchita chifukwa pakali pa mdziko lili bankrupt ulifunika amene ali ma ideas ona kuti akhoza kukonza dziko ndiye fa Afford it ready manifesto yathu sinagwisebo ntchito. It's a new manifesto yomwe mabwera when there are problems like this.
Kama ngani kusabisa wapi chipani cha DPP kanga lipanali koke tito because naona DPP kulengeza udalira kupeza ndi ichamati Northern Alliance block. Many later when you talk to Afford inanena we are not part of that block. Is when we saw kuti pamba kulengeza kuti ngweza na wachitika chimaika vijana panayi mavuto kabena.
The Northern Bros they just had our moral support. We're not against them.
Okay.
We gave them our moral support. You have to know that Afford is a national party from Chitipa to Msanji. And if it in my policies that the estimango almost in Shiroya. And the Afford if it can be Alliance to procedure. Still go to Alliance to government and
yes.
Timakan procedure. Zenda kuzani tifike pasaizi in the DPP. Tatamila almost 1 year. And the committee was chaired by Reverend Maurice Muntali with DPP Achapot. They have been meeting, crashing, discussing, looking at my manifesto also. Tipanga banji, where do we differ? How do we compromise? But nafika pa compromise. Pa middle position, but I think right now we can work together.
Makuzanzwa chipani cha DPP.
Choyamba issues za economy kutitipanga hando bwanji. Secondly, we have looked at all the government programs, government reforms also. Yes. We have looked at how do we do the government reform. Total overhaul ya system ya bomba. Tipanga bwanji. Chifua sometimes it's not a matter of changing leadership.
Yes.
No. the system itself ya Malawi needs to change. Ndiye ukasintha system ngubwesa su new leadership ili ngati galimoto singati ili ndi utsi mungosintha marings woka still siteka koma kufunika kati total over china chilichonse kusintha kuti sokano Malawi ikhale new vibrant tichotsa pailili to be a middle income country. So these are the plans we have.
Now, in terms of which branch afford, more people because I don't think you didn't put in terms of Malawi. That must be something that your party is going to benefit from the alliance. How will you afford?
Party is business to this do. I mean, I've been doing that Malawi. Chipans business. Chifua mkatupindu na nduweti mtu wachita business waweza profit.
Kumana tumaona bwana president unaona kuti mukapita mboma ukaona timamba ili mzate ngapakuti inuka nduna za zimachitika ndi simukakani.
No, it's obvious. How can you say want to go into government or certain positions? Ngaba ndi sebo mandinda. Chifua ukapita mboma umakana positions. Maka president, my vice president, kandawili, choncho. Yes, we're going to government. It's automatic we get positions.
Yes.
Otherwise, if you don't get positions, you will still more. Community plan, did no position, which means it is kunji. When I don't come on position, it's automatic.
Yes.
What I think.
Yeah, but I get one for you. Mkazo kuzaliwa ndo skandi nduna za bomba magwiza na jani.
Nduna za bomba sizina sankidi. Kuna sakata kuti kulewa what is going to happen when kutitagwirizana kuti iwe is obvious. Iwe atenga president vice president ifetibwela ngati second vice president kumatsika basi tikakhala pasi tikagawana maunduna based on merit osati kungotenga apo ya koma based on merit ali mkhale apa chifo chaichi mkhale apa tapajatane natu kuti ife we have a serious program to resuscitate this economy. Now because of that stifuna appeasement kuti popeza wandango wanga wanakhala mchipani nthawi yaitali we have to make sure kuti bomaini composition in cabinet ikali based on merit. Even you take from outside who are not party members. Why not? Why not?
Tumara zikajitike kama kuti akubora ndiena tazama lero nkandale kuti tatamanga ndife now why getting muntu wina vyogera kujina
amana nandika amena mafuno kadi mboma ifesu kupito kadi ya ife tupito kwa konsazinto even if I don't pass 2-3 years that was raising to tasile boma ufuna ubyao chifua sumage babe chichose because this bankrupt, this government is bankrupt. Ndia kati ambayo mtumuli bema kobi ife takoze ile kobi ufuna kadi yao abwera 2030 kama ife takoze ile bino bino many times tunakoze democracy and tunakoze democracy akuzusi kakulira isiwe akarabu ife ndi chito ya tusoba if we come in to fix things. We came in to fix the system of government. We did it. Now we are coming in to say we are coming now to fix the economy. Kuti economy need democracy is in the north. That's why our theme is from democracy to development. It's how it is.
Now mkaje kuza kuna kuti zinazo mzakambirana mukazali wa mboma mwatero. Tinaona zinajitika kutosa alliance. Kumene inusunga afomali kumeneko sizinacha bwino munasi anako kumeneko. Mwadaliana mugweza na meneo.
Yeah, mind you kuti this is a process. Tagwiza na how we are going to run government.
Yes.
Now the details of running government. Tikadakambirana. We are still talking. Yes. If mwana banja hapa. It's a process. Since now go take one day. Ajana panga alliance in one day. They don't know what they're doing. This is a process and government is huge. We are looking at domestic policy, foreign policy, and the mechanics of government. When you go to this Zaida Banji, part of reform, and my implications are reform and the economy, all of those things. So those things will take time, within 2 months, even sometimes even Bona. There will be some changes. Yes.
Yeah, but Nkhani kuza alliance yo activities za nao bwana president Nkhani kuza mbona ziwendera panopa watoka about watu ziwenda banji mukona wana tichikanja afford for democracy mali cha alliance for democracy afford
aliyesa udziwa mene dziko lili ikana kakuti ni shop yambe wakanatseka kale
akanatseka
kama alumali kumapapesa ni dziko satseka ene makalanda every Malawi panadzuka amakhanga timbalani sitisiyana amanyamuka ukafuna chakudya sazotaka chipesa kuti kubwereraso situkusiyanaso ndi nyama zakuchire situkusiyana ndi mbalame ndiwo moyo boma likabweretsa kwa Malawi. You see, in a normal system ya boma, normal system ya dziko,
yes,
chakudya should not be a discussion because it's a human right. Food is a human right. There is no way ngati boma lugwesa chakudya anthu azithokoza boma. No. Food is a human right. The normal way of living anthu is their right. Koma kuno even because anse uboma anthu mafuna kuthokoza boma. Tima wa boma kapanga zimene zichi. That's how it's supposed to be. No. You don't have to. Yes. You don't have to. That's nzoti mauzantu manifesto. Tikamala boma tikapanga is. Just imagine mankhwala kuchipatala. It's a human right. Muntu akadwala ayenekera alandire mankhwala. Muntu akakhala njala adye chakudya. It's not something that you compromise, something that you can thank anybody. It's the same like ine mene ndili pano. Ananga adye sima palanchi. Ndiye ngafika mwenye akwansi sima ntokoze sima adye lunch, madye sonyama. It's my responsibility as a parent.
Yes.
Nimabereka, nimazodi mende berekera. Ananga wana zafuna chakudya, tu zafuna school fees. Fira kadwala nikiro kito chipata. Sisi siyana ndiyo ende sabo. It's the same.
It's the same.
Yes. Yeah. If fail in our manifesto as Alliance for Democracy, first priority is food security at the household level. But something teachers, each and every household.
And Muzagwa needs as many as
why not? Why not? At the household level food.
Yes.
You know Mtambo Chihana. You know a country when ikafika pa point yonena kuti chimanga kuchiona ngati diamond abasi you finish. Because in other countries chimanga ichi amapatsa nkumba amapatsa ng'ombe. In a country you're part of the global world or global system. Koma kukhala kuti chimanga chimanga ife tifuna kuti tikawamboma nkhani ya chimanga tsamaikamba sinomo
nkhani imene imakhala ichitika muna chaka ndi chaka njala muona kuti ikadula reporter emva ane namiri nakuti anthu chakudya foto kana kusakalibe muona kuti foto ndi yani mukaona because you are saying inu mukabwera you fix the problem. I know you know the problem then foto ndi yani
choyamba ife kuno ku Malawi we have been talking about this. Singakhale dziko eno kuti nthawi zonse mzidikira mvula.
Okay.
Mvula ibwere. So if there's no mvula, you are hungry as a country. As that they do irrigation. And you have to focus on production ya chimanga twice a year. Mvula iliko, mvula isakaleko, koma chimanga mpange produce. That's one. Two, the inputs. If it nanena kuti subsidy takadupanga for the past 20 years, sinathandize Malawi. Isra go first year, second year, after that became business as usual, miracle corruption. If ma 4F atajitinaika kuti forex, food, fertilizer and fuel, minimum jamulima details are loan input program. Loan input program will target every Malawian who are able to produce food. Kuti niuze in this country, njone na kuti 60-70% are women and children in this country. Koma many are involved in food production, maybe at 20%. Koma 20% is feeding 60% of the population. If we reverse, kuti 60% should get involved in food production, we'll have times of food. That's why in a system we have to make sure you build a middle class. That middle class supports middle class imakhalachonchi. Olemera pamono, osauka pamono. But team imene zipanga produce nyapakati imene khala yambiri. Mukatero dziko basi mwakosa.
Muzapanga zimene hizo.
If that's the starting point. Ifasi mukhala mboma 10, 15, 20 years ya. Koma ifitika maziko amene kuti kutsogolo zimuzikhale choncho.
Did you try to introduce that when I'm to Alliance muli mboma? You try to do that.
Yes, I've given this advice Kwake several times. Yes. Even how we can reform ADMAC, all those ideas we gave them.
Amadijani kutose.
Nasanatenga, koma it's up to them kuisa nchini. Yes.
Koma ana
oh tina pass some ideas yeah all my ideas are color free it's up to the person now who under my ideas whether to use them or not yeah so maybe kwa hiyo they were useless ideas how can I know yes
koma munapeleka iteme
kolas kwambie
because ndapenda kuti antamali muna makati mgwakula chonchi because mulikunja koma akopasa nimpata kuti mpite mene momo makaenda zosiyana mwauza malawi ya Chihana kuti mwana kuti nkanokuza njala muzatha nayo assure the Malawi yangu
if a minute malankoloti Malawi should democratize sikuna bwele democracy sina bwele ina bwele ngimene tinalankula zinachitika so pano vanatipase mpata ona kuti we should be part and parcel of running government they should see what Afford can do if we are not jokers.
Oh, you are not.
Yeah, no, we're not jokers. That's why when we go into a system, they're gonna see kugwira timaturuka. There are very few people anga choke kumene kulima pwevu because they are jokers. They don't do it. If we don't care.
Yes.
Nzichanane na kuti Afford wala ifeti ngati ma M23. We are suicide bombers. We can create a government, but if we see what the stupidity in government, timapanga withdraw in 1 minute, and we don't care. If we were used to be in opposition to fix things in a country, we don't care which side of government we are, where Tikozone to Panga contributors. We can contribute even things in opposition as long as we have a listening government. Or if we don't have a listening government, that's why Timafunokawa Menamuja Mupanga implementing my policies out.
Yeah, now Nkhani yokuza back to Nkanakuza Alliance TPP, kama mfano basi ni pata kuti ngati Afford muzaba ngawjani. Yeah, so but back to our topic Nkanakuza Alliance. Put in figure upanga kuiza Japan ntacha TPP. Nabura bani kanzo mbele. Did you consult?
Oh yeah. In fact in convention watu mnapita. Convention inapeleka resolution. Convention in the highest body, you know, decision each one. You can't reverse it unless you go for another convention. Yes. Convention in a resolution kuti ifeo leadership tiamboka mbele na nzipani zako opposition for alliance. First. Secondly, atapanga choncho inengati president in National Executive. I was mandated by National Executive to appoint a committee. Which I appointed the committee. That was for 1 year. The committee has been reporting to us, and every leadership knows this. Aliye Abudziwa, in a very democratic manner. If there is a party in this country that is democratic in Afford, and in this system, deny back. There are some committees that are currently UTF, UTM, DPP, Timankran. Mpaka even myself, I even engaged the PP. Another woman, yes.
Within your party.
Yes.
Did you consult?
It was within the party. This consultation I'm talking about.
Okay.
It's within the party. Because of that consultation, meetings took place here. After that, the same committee on Tuesday reported kuti kujamma atituma tabwerako.
Okay.
Mabwerako anapeleka report a committee. Anapeleka report taenda chonchi. On the agenda tinanena so pano apa pali UDF pali UTM and other political parties. Now pali DPP. Nitinapanga deliberation for 4 hours and unanimously except one person amenana penapake pali gray area. Comatose unanimously endorsed kuti now you can go and sign an agreement with DPP.
No semna polisi. Mwanatibirika kukuleki basi ndino bwana president
Zikongombe.
Ili program ya tele sikosi program ndujeza ndi Enoch Chihana yewa ni mtsogolere kwa Japan Alliance for Democracy Afford mkareba meneko. Program ya tele sikosi program ndujeza ndi Enoch Chihana yewa ni mtsogolere wa Japan Alliance for Democracy Afford. Welcome back to the program, President. Now, what did you consult because what you really want Timothy Mtambo awuzali Nkhani lache sana ulena kuti iwo sakuzenza kuzira meneo mundi ya pakati mene
chizungu chake kuti that's the essence of democracy.
Okay.
Mukamva kuchipani kuti kulibe na limba different views. Because kuli dictatorship. what you are imposing if we don't impose. That's why Timaro Swanto as an of course.
Yes.
That's what my vice president is doing. Enjoying the democracy meeting up with it, even within the party. Timato personal in ideas. And my vice president is expressing his democratic right to say in his But nation yadziwa kuti although afford yapita DPP alliance DPP there's one person, I mean maybe you'll be vindicated or maybe be proved wrong.
As much as he is expressing
Yes.
democracy, now even by president, were you surprised him to have as many as
No, I'm not surprised. No, I'm not surprised. No. He has told me before. He has told me. Yes, yes. So I'm not surprised at all. If you made my career, you know, if we were social democrats, to president, it means he's the enemy of the party. No. In fact, we like Mtambo more than anything else because he has expressed his views. Rather mkali muntu onena kuti akukunamiza. Mtambo sana tunamiza. Onena the way he feels about DPP, mene isa ufunira mkwilizano mene watozi. And if we know his position. So when we are moving, we know kuti anzatu safu no makomo asimantenga kumo. Muntu akakuza uzachi mwene ine chimshimeni madana na chimumamo. Ndiye musimudate ucheni kumoa. Kumoa msia.
Because you Mtambo wacha. Sauna kanopa. Ndinema adwaji bancha.
Yes. My vice president. And my brother.
Are you going to delegate him? My chance of kuti mona kuli Nkhani. TVP ndi Nkhani. You know what I'm running and Zina. Now my deputy go and represent me.
Yeah, he just nizondinena kuti. Sungatenga muntu omwamo wakuta chimwe kulipandula mo wasimpitako mpite ndimi. Wewe unokuti nzakuja ndimbusa ukumulabwira. No. But you still kimiza mwenye ama mamo wakuta ngakondo kumena kuti. Ina good 3 vice presidents. So I know who can do what. So ku DPP ko ego kanso kano if in DPP it means another vice president if not there. I mean he agrees nizochitika kumene Mtambo nizinto mwenchito zina nchito zambiri mchipana
kwa argument sana Mtambo acha ino mukaona ngati kwa ibanja afford mukaona banje ave valid.
Yeah, guys, his opinions nena kuti in democracy everybody has to express his opinion.
Mukaona argument sawa acha mugwiza nawo acha
kwa hiyo they are valid. Don't look at me ngati kuti you personalize Chipana. In a president, whether I like it or not, in a Kozokabuta I differ. There's what we call collective responsibility, even in running cabinet. Even in cabinet muja we differ. You differ with the president. With the president, the fundo we can't implement. The cabinet ya vomelezana is. It's the same Chipana Chimosmos. It's a collective responsibility. Even in the president, several times have differed with the national executive. Kama president imapenda pajankula mkula kuti executive tagwizana 1 2 3 4 5 or else ina resign as president.
Yeah, mugwizano wanu amaona ngati muna antona mujibani cha UTM. I know simu kwa jibani cha UTM. Kama ngati meta mugwizano maybe you might have an idea. Timamba kuti DPP UTM plus afford makambirana. Ndizoona zimenezi.
Complete 100%. Even that was 2 days ago before my press conference. I was with President Kabambe here. We discussed. Yes, he can. We discussed. And he had also his position, his concerns. And you know that he has got his own national executive. Where also so many people, they will discuss. So maybe they went to discuss, maybe they made their resolution. So it's on the Zao, which you can know.
The UTM is not part of Alliance.
You know, Nangasi, my nominations are Naberek. I'm not sure. Poka yo watuzi.
Mukaona mene magambira namo. Ziubereka kuti buda chitika china chake.
Zwanda nena kuti inesima krama committee. Committee ya UTM ni committee ya afford. Ma committee na amakambirana. committee ya UTM imetoka bila sondi DPP and if my resolutions are many of sizote kuza
mungabe banji Chihana unena kuti UTM utana kuti ife would not be part of the alliance move ba
afford ndina UTM ndina ife tukwamba za ife DPP
yes koma now because mwanaiwa wafunika kuti zibani zako opposition zikanapanga mgwirizana I think mukhala wakonda kwambiri kuti zitatero now what if UTM says no ife sizuti kudza
achimwe aluta continue basi if we were ready to run a serious campaign and win government and we're winning yes
previously to this program mwanachano nena kuti kubwera bomb ya Hiroshima na Nagasaki
yes.
You remember that statement which you made in the previous program
yes
ndimene
B-52 bombers have taken off. By 16, the bomb will be dropped at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Yesterday, the B-52 bombers carrying the bomb of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It will land by 16. Pa 17 pa 18 James gairika makashotes ndiakati apurumboka ndakati koma bomu jana yanyamuka carried by the B-52 bombers nimene
are you convinced that even if UTM sankhana mugwezeni wanu mukhalamba vuditu
kwambiri
okay
kwambiri
taona Professor David Mtaliga amenali mtsogoleri wanu kumkwizano kwasaka Dr. Jenasa ngati running mate wawo mwachandira bwanji menezi
ife sitikanakuja na kumkwizano ngati we have no confidence in him any confidence in the watch kifo chake tajionana na otherwise sitikanabanza
ndi kusanga kwa Dr. Jenasa kwa inu sabino bwino
100%. Yes. One, she's a Malawian. Two, an accomplished judge, attorney general.
Yes.
What else do you want? Because in Enoch Chihana and Kozokare Daga Ziteni. Because number 1, number 2, Wamita. Koma has nothing to do with running of this country. It has completely nothing to do with my ideas of running this country. Aliyese kumano kumalawa aliyese ali ndi weakness yake kumali strength yake ndiye mungu pangala mpaka zintu 10 weakness ya Jenasa 10 strength yake is when you can make good judgment. You don't base on someone pakantu kamodzi kamene so you have no evidence no nchifukwa chake dziko lili makhala kumbuyo chifukwa mafuna kuti Yesu ndiye abwera zakhale president wa dziko lili mutampeza kuti
atamwona ngatigena running mate ukhala Chihana well that's what people expect not to win ajangwizana ndio tuona kuti Chihana dabina running mate
you need to change this country and not sikuti nene kale ndikhale running mate yeah koma if timu yonse imene limodzi can be bwino mene timakhalira and exchange ideas my ideas ajamkutengedwa nkuendesa I'm happy. You don't have to be running mate. After all, MG2, MG3 nchimozimozi. My father was vice president. Salary ya General Sandine tikalamboma zikafana.
In MG3 bacha?
In MG3. MG2 zikafana.
For the first one, I would want the Alliance for Democracy in Rabah.
Yes, in MG3. You see, zikafana. But those go see. Commonwealth is number 1. That's why they created the second VP. So if you look at the constitution, second VP comes from another political party. Yes. So I'm not DPP.
Simugombesana koma izingatosa alliance ajana.
No, inombesa poa bwanji ne sana ni sankemo. Inabala nisanka mimi mjangano na ziko lidana sinta. I would have changed everything. Why not?
Now, and I will kuti Professor David Mtaliga ntokoti ndwachigulire akuti akanapona akula. Magamuri yani pankani mene.
Kodama zauti muntu wakula ndinda. Simu wake. Sini mwanzo wenda hapo. Fanya zako.
Anda kudeno.
Inewe ndima ziwele zinda kwa. ndakula singakwatira mkazi wina koma kwakwatira mkazi wina mudzi kuti kodani ndi mphamvu. Yes,
ndiye mukuona
iwaja uziwe kuti
apa mutalika nani pa uzuri nakuti ulamulira dziko
why not ulamulira dziko tisulima munda mutu ulima ndi mphamvu ndi kaso zida koma to sit and make decisions is something different. Yes. Trump is very old, Biden old, most presidents old, but they make decisions. Nigeria, over 250 million people. Are the president who is old? Nigeria si kwenda. Ndio sema Nigeria si kwenda. Ziko ino the president wa Chinyamata kukosa kwa Nigeria. Which country is in trouble? You tell me. Itanuzani ziko liturumwe ruoneka kuti ilipa mafuta.
Ndiye mkuona pale mifuto kana kuza zaka za a professor Kapita Mtali.
Bwana, running government is experience, expertise and knowledge. It's not age. And you have never seen anango who are stupid. So many.
Tumaza program yetu
have you ever seen idiots so many times who are very young? Even younger than you. Tumaza program that they have more ideas because tubaza program yetu bakona kuzashana ngoma nao Nkhani kuza fuse ndio malis. Yes.
Mtambo akuti zakudai muna kuteka dauna soenda kuibana kwanuku naso akukhala kumbe kwa Mtambo. Muna mabaji
kwa Mtambo.
No, okay. Muna mabaji banja bisakaonekana.
Yeah, it's going to smart going.
Okay.
If there's a party that has gone through serious turbulence in Darfur, if we accept criticism within the party, it's open. Whoever wants to come and have his own ideas to express, it will not change the signing ceremony. We have done it. We have done the agreement. If we are moving forward, you see, you got the training. Train doesn't care kuti atsikandangati. If the train says tikatoka pano tukafika kubangura tayatsika if a train yatanyamuka whoever drops as yobona warrior if it Peter we have a destination. We are arriving in Bangura at this time. If we are arriving in Boma ilili tukafika pa 16
train
yanyamuka
Jitogoza
imambe kama stage basi wotsika okora
azikwera omanyamuka Jitogoza wambele kulima nikasambalize kutoka chiwe jitogoza kwa viteko somaji jitogoza tikata maza program yetu ya TV discuss program hii ndimajeza ndi Enoch Chihana yo ndi tsokolere wa Chibanja Alliance for Democracy Afford.